What if you knew you could not fail? What if you believed that you had the ability to achieve anything that you put your mind to, that you are a limitless being with limitless potential and the ability to actually achieve anything you put your mind to? How would you show up? What would you do differently? How big would you dare to dream if there was zero limits on what you could accomplish? Everything that you achieve is the result and consequence of your beliefs. So let's do some tapping on installing the belief that you are limitless, because you are. You were born an abundant, limitless being with the ability to achieve anything. And once you believe that, anything is possible. So what I want you to do first is think of the statement, I am limitless. Now, on a scale of 0 to 10, how true does that feel? 10 being that, yes, I believe I am limitless. Nothing can stop me from believing that. Nothing can stop me from achieving my biggest, grandest goal. And 0 being, yeah, no, don't believe that for a second. Okay, let's get started. Just start by tapping on the inside of the eye and repeat after me. I choose to believe I am limitless. I choose to believe I can achieve anything. I choose to believe I can achieve any goal and any dream, no matter how big. I choose to believe I am limitless. I choose to believe I can achieve my greatest goal. I choose to believe I am limitless. I choose to believe I have limitless potential. I choose to know I can achieve any goal and any dream, no matter how big. I choose to know I am limitless. I choose to know I can achieve anything I put my mind to. I choose to know anything is possible for me. I choose to know I am limitless. I choose to know I have limitless potential. I choose to know I can achieve anything I put my mind to. I am limitless. I have limitless potential. I can achieve any goal and any dream, no matter how big. I believe in me. I am limitless. I have the ability to achieve anything I put my mind to. I am limitless, and I have limitless potential. Deep breath. Rate the statement now. I am limitless on a scale of 0 to 10. How cool is that? I want you to take a minute to think about, with that belief installed, which you may need to do more tapping. I'm not saying that it's happened within those 2 minutes. You may need to do more tapping, particularly when you come across challenges, because you will be challenged. You will come across obstacles. You will, when you go all in on a big dream, you will feel sometimes that it's impossible. But when you come back to this belief and installing this belief and doing this tapping, it totally changes the game. So with this belief, what goals and dreams are you going to go all in on from this point forward? What are you going to be unstoppable at putting your mind to, at going all in on? Because it is your clarity and your conviction That will get you from where you are to where you truly want to be. So stop compromising. Stop settling for less than what you truly want, because you are infinitely powerful. You can achieve anything you put your mind to. You are a limitless being. You just don't believe it yet. So believe it and continue to develop this belief in yourself, because when you know that you are limitless and you are unstoppable and you are infinitely powerful, changes the entire game, totally transforms your life. Now, if you have enjoyed this, then please do me a favor, like and subscribe. Comment below, let me know how this landed for you. Let me know what dream you're going to go all in on. And just by doing that, you actually help the algorithm to push this out to more people. And by doing that, you help others, because this technique, EFT tapping, is absolutely incredible. The more people who use it, the better this planet gets. And if you would like help to find out what's keeping you stuck, what are the fears, doubts, and limiting beliefs that are stopping you from achieving your goals and dreams, I have created a brand new process. It is the Wealth Breakthrough Blueprint, and it is an insane price right now that will actually uncover what is keeping you stuck. And I will give you a unique strategic action plan, plus practices and tapping scripts that are going to help you to clear those blocks, fears, and doubts. And it's really at an insane price right now. So if you want to check that out, go to the link that is in the description below. Seriously, it is a total game changer. It will blow you away. I look forward to seeing you in the next tapping video, which is right here. This is going to help to clear some of those fears, doubts, and blocks that are keeping you stuck. You can check that out now.